Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're ripping the L Rangers, I call it. She's dialed in, boys. Primer kick. Oh, I started in the primer kick. Alright. Let it warm up for a second. Go for a rip. That should be good. So in today's video, I want to test how good it is in the woods, which should be very good because it's high purpose. And we'll do some hole shots, since nobody does hole shots on these things. Probably because it's not exactly meant for that. Alright, time for a hole shot. Slow range. Time for another hole shot. Actually, you know what? Let's try to do a little wheelie on this thing. Well, actually, I don't really want to wheelie it. I'm not really trying right now because this thing, with the drum brakes, I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan. When you get up past balance, drum brakes, no thanks. I have wheelied it back there a ways before and got up past balance, hit the brakes, held it for a second. But like this rear fender, you can't even get that rear fender anymore, so I don't want to risk, you know, beating it up, so let's try another hole shot right here, though. Shoot! So this is all low range, by the way. This is all low, dang, locked it up. This is all low range. I'll put it in high range and do another hole shot for you. Alright. Yeah, the RPM gauge is, yeah, she ain't having it. It's hacked. Alright, here we go. High range hole shot. I'll leave it high for now. Is actually pretty good. Like for the year, it's pretty good. It soaks up a lot of these bumps. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good low end, so I'm gonna take down here to the woods out here and we'll test out the Enduro capability. Alright. Like Bigfoot spin here, bro. Come on. Don't spin. I just ran him over. Come on, back up. Oh no. Lay down the hog, bro. Oh, what an idiot. Alright, is there anything damaged? Nope. Look, they got bendy pegs even back then. Heck yeah. This is why you don't try and hard enduro with a bike from 1974. It's kind of slick out today, which doesn't help. It does pretty good though. It does do pretty good. dude. Alright boys, one more hole shot and that's probably going to be it for the old L Ranger experience. At least the first video. Here we go, hole shot. I'm trying second gear. Second and low.